question is why these issues are not being handled seriously. As you are seeing, I am standing right in front of Damansara River, which is located in the Management and Science University and Rajneesh River. Look how polluted the river is and how many rubbish are all floating on it. This is a show us for all passerbys as well as for our university students. And by the way, it is not a drain, it is a river. Now it has become a dumping ground instead. Good evening. There are many causes of water pollution in our nation today. First and foremost, I would like to stress on the irresponsibility of our public and society throwing huge amount of rubbish on roadside as well as riverside, as you all can see here. These rubbish will eventually flow into the river during huge thunderstorms. As you can see at the back of me is a construction site. Workers often throw rubbish or disposal items from the construction site into the river instead of specific dumpsters that are being provided. They should learn how to go by the book and not repeat this illicit action. If this keeps going on, what is going to happen to our nation today? Diseases are being spread like no other in our country today. Water pollution is a favorable condition for mosquito breeding grounds. And as you all know, mosquito carries a very, very harmful and dangerous disease. For example, malaria and dengue. These breeding grounds should be put a stop to. Right in front of me is a sewage system that is not being conducted well. You see, all the sewage materials and waste products are being flown into the little drain down there into the river. The river then flows directly into the sea, thus causing the sea to be polluted. Once the sea is being polluted, aquatic creatures will not have oxygen to breathe, therefore causing extinction. Not only that, this is a huge source of fishes, and aquatic creatures is a huge source of protein for us. This will cause the depletion of protein, as well as our fellow fishermen will lose their source of income. Water pollution shouldn't be an issue anymore. Our society should conduct their responsibilities well as a citizen of this country. As it has been stated, our country has a modern spot for tourism. Our government should make hay while the sun shines in enforcing all rules for a better future towards our upcoming generation, and also in developing our country and achieving Vision 2020. That's all from us. Thank you. Stop water pollution.